Good morning, traders, and welcome to Trade Out Loud's morning briefing. My name is Danka Metcalf, and today's Tuesday, February 18th, 2014, and it is 9:10 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's start by taking a look at the major economic releases for today. For today, we have a housing market index that is going to come in at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's take a quick look right now at today's earnings. Before market, we have the following stocks that are due to report earnings. Coca-Cola just posted mixed earnings results this morning. The company reported in-line EPS but missed the top-line revenue. The shares are trading slightly lower this morning at about $38. For the rest of the day after market, we have the following stocks that are reporting earnings, and these ones that are highlighted, we will have a watch on them for potential swing trades. I'm going to introduce to you right now the gap list for today. This is a new slide that we've decided to introduce in our morning briefing for those of you that are day traders. So remember, you can pause this slide to copy this, to take a snapshot of the screen, or you can pause it to copy the stocks that are gapping up and down. They're color coded, so the stocks that are green, they're gapping up, and the stocks that are red are gapping down. And now let's take a look at the market overall and see how we stand for today and our bias and our key technical levels. Right now in front of us, we have a chart of Coca-Cola that we have mentioned in our early morning briefing. And right now, $39 was a big barrier. Was a lot of resistance right here that came from a minor area of support right here that created the shelf of resistance at $39. So you can see right now it's trading at $38. If we're going to pierce this whole number, the $38, then we have odds of continuing lower into the $37. If we come back up to the $39 area, and the more we stabilize in this area, there is a chance for this stock to continue higher into the $40 area. And now let's take a quick look at the major indices for today. Right here in front of us, we have a chart of the Qs, and on Friday, we closed very strong for the Qs into the $90. So yes, Qs into the $90.01 is the new high for the Qs. So this is an important step for the Qs. We do have further projections for a short and medium term price projection, price targets if we continue to trade higher. And right now in pre-market session, the Qs are trading at $89.93. We have a first target on the Qs into the $90.17, about 20 cents. The next target is $90.50, and we do have another target for medium term into the $91 area. So for the Qs, very strong. We're going to continue to be very bullish on this major indice. Let's take a look at the spiders, and just so I mentioned, right here we have the four major time frames for the SPYs, and this is the 1 hour, the daily, the weekly right here, and the monthly. And as you can see, they have been a little bit sluggish, and they did not take the previous high that was set on January 15th of 184.94. We are trading in the whole number area, and right now pre-market we are actually we found pre-market support at 183.71, and we still need to take out the 184.38 from Friday's trading session, the high from Friday's trading session. If we're going to continue higher, we have a short and medium term target of 184.77, and the next one is 184.94, which is the previous high, and our next target is going to be 185.47. So we are bullish onto the SPY. As you can see right here from the monthly chart, we have a very strong bull sandwich. As you can see right here, we're trying to continue higher, and we do look like the SPY wants to continue higher. So very optimistic start to the new week. And now let's take a look at the diamonds. And as you can see right here from this chart, just like the SPYs have been a little bit sluggish, they're into an area of confluence right here at 161, and this is the daily chart that I have my cursor on. And right now we're in this area of 161.90 area, which is an area of resistance due to the prior swing high, from back in November 29th. Also an area of support right here that creates a shelf of resistance at the same number. So we're going to see the big impact is going to be at 162.20. So this is going to be the major barrier. If we're going to trade above that, and it looks like we are headed higher, our future targets, future projections for this major index is 162.45 and 163. Also 165 from this previous swing high. For the chart of the day, I chose P10, which is consolidating very bullishly onto the hourly chart, and you can see it right here, a very, very bullish cluster that is developing between $27.50 and very close to $29. So we're going to watch this cluster area right here. This is the consolidation that is developing on the hourly chart. So this can be a next potential signal. And for those of you that are watching swings, this has odds of continuing higher. This can also be a swing trade that can be developed into a core trade that can potentially run into a further core target area. And let's take a quick look on the monthly chart as well. You can see right here a high from back in July 2011, I'm sorry, of $34. So it does have room to continue higher into the 30s and into the $34 for core. And for swing position, we're watching these areas, and our targets are going to be into the 29.44 if the trade will develop and will maintain the same momentum, and into the $30.50, $30.50 and $31.25. So these are our projections for P10. Thank you so much for listening. This was all for today. See you tomorrow with another edition of our morning briefing. And for the rest of the day, I wish you happy trading, and see you next time.